All right, so this is the actual URAS kit from Auto Salon. A couple of years ago, I think some kid bought it, and it looks like he's pretty much kept it the same, which that's sick. I love to see that. I don't remember these being on there during Auto Salon. That's pretty cool. Nice little add-on. I was never really a fan of the CRs originally, but once I saw it on this car, it just works. Looks really good, the bronze. I would have never pictured bronze and yellow for whatever reason. I don't know why, but car still looks good, still alive, so that's good to hear.
Middle fingers up for whoever looking. I saved you from the snakes when they should've took it. I think everybody against me, everybody fake. Leave the bro, I been did it and everybody late. Had to put 10 M's in everybody's face.
Alright. Oh, I think we can park in the shade over here. This looks nice. So we're in the overflow lot. A couple more Hachirokas over here, but it seems like everyone's up there drifting, so let's go check it out. This is Chucky's car. He's one of the guys that I think his group is the one that's putting on this event. So shout out to Chucky. He's one of the first guys that was drifting in 86 in Japan for several years now. So yeah, shout out to him. He's got the Origin kit. Here's what the circuit looks like. That's my friend Nick right there in the white GR, killing it. It's basically kind of just a parking lot event, which is nice because you know you can practice, not screw up your car too much. Who's Nick? I'm trying to figure out what the layout is. This is such a peaceful little like watching point with these birch trees or whatever they are. This is so nice. Yeah, it's pretty sick. I like that wing. Super low. Let's go! Yeah! My boy's smooth. Nick has gotten so good. He's got a full garage clear angle kit on there. Woo! GRs are out today. Got the blitz bumper. That's cool, man. Beautiful. These pipes are ridiculous and I love it. He's got the TRD bar in there. The cross, very nice. Little gritty air intake pipe. All right, this livery is it's wild. These taillights are growing on me, boys. On a white car, it's kind of good. Oh, the tri-bars are good on black, man. Ah! Who needs that badge? What a beautiful place to have a circuit event. The culture is good. Ah, this is crazy.リのやつですか？いいね。280馬力ぐらい。もともとスタンツか。ドリフトかな元から。
ファンスのイベントも受かるぐらい。
あ、本当？いいね。
両方。
すごいシャコタンね。あ、これ歌舞伎のやつか、ガナドールの。歌舞伎いいね。俺もつけたい。Got a tow hitch in the back. I think he brings some extra tires back there.
Oh, I think it's that thing behind you right there.
Oh yeah, it's this.
Well, where's the wheel?
That's crazy. And you got the 326 wing in the back. Hell yeah. Very nice dude. What in the world? This is just too good. Look what that says. Very well put together. I like that all the aero is painted red too. Like he didn't leave the little lip thing black at the bottom.
He didn't.
And dude, these cars can even look really cool with the stock wheels if you lower it a little bit. Throw a spacer on there. You don't gotta do too much. This is a cool car, man. Oh, he's got some like chrome trim right there. We're trying to get him out of the Integra. There's no need to be an Integra in 2025, bro. Come on.
No.
New era, new era.
You can have the Honda and the 86. Thank you.
Why not both, he said.
Why not both?
Why not both? Like the little Mexican kid from the commercial? Oh, chill out.
No, let me stop.
Why not both?
Why not both?
Got the goon side toge foliage check. Found some fuzzy beans just hanging. Don't know what's going on here, but I think this is this might be lunch for today. That is clean. I like the
That's good.
the homemade vents. Pretty sick.
Like Gabby. I'll show if I drove bitch cause she's wet. Your bitch cause he be with me. Hit 1,000 on that pic just cause she with me. I don't ride him more, but man, your homie tempt me. Don't ask me why I'm so high, bitch, you say you get me. No bro say how you move so fast on the Percocets. The nigga win the shit, a passion, ain't no side effects. Took off his field trip on them school buses, no coming back. Them hoes just tell me I'm a demon and I run with that. Hey, what's a goblin to the devil and she fine with that. That bitch gonna knew me when I drop some she can't take me. Better call your big bro some little nigga, you can't take me. I need some mag me, it ain't not for me, I may see.